So it snowed overnight and it was really bad. This is the worst snow we've had like in, I don't know, 2 years. Really bad. Snoopy doesn't like it either. And I gotta check on the chickens. I don't even know if I can get to the chickens, so let's try this. I just wanna look and see if they are alright, you know? Oh man, this is bad. This is really, really bad. I don't know what to do here. This is a lot worse than I have expected, like, and experienced in years. This is really, really bad. Okay, I can hear chickens. Let's see. Oh, I fell. Okay, there are chickens. This looks okay. At least you have like the house, you can stay inside. They have everything, probably. So yeah. Oh man, this is bad. Check out this snow. This is really bad. I'll be back. I will probably get me like a hike, like a, you know, the guys that climb on a mountain, that stuff, that gear, and try to get to the chickens. Oh, this is pretty bad. This is my last day. Why has this happened on the last day that I'm caring for the chickens? I made it. Alright, another update later. Hey guys, so this is the grand finale of my chicken week, and it is like with the worst possible weather, but it looks amazing. So this is like really a grand finale. The snow is like, I don't know, 20 centimeters right now, and I try to get to the chickens because I want to feed them. I can already hear them, so we will try to get there. I have snow boots just to make sure I can get there. So let's try. Okay. Holy moly. I need to do some snow shoveling later. This is pretty bad. Guys, I hate snow. I hate snow like the plague. Yes, I come. I feel like I might fall. I fell. Oh, I'm cold. There's snow everywhere. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, look. Oh man. I'm cold. I should wear gloves. I can't get the door open. Oh God. Oh man. Why me? Yes guys, I'm coming. Looks alright here. Like there's some snow at the top, but the house is pretty good. 2, 4, 6. I'll count them when I'm inside. If I get inside, because there's so much snow. Actually, I didn't wanna post an update today because I thought nothing would happen. Oh, come on, man. Okay, good. Yeah, guys. Looks pretty rough. Oh, my hands. My hands are completely messed up. Hey, friends. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't count them all. Some of them are under the house. But I will definitely feed them now, just in case my friend can't come home due to the snow. Oh, I have snow on my head. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Oh man. It's difficult to count chickens when they move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. I think they are all here. I gotta put some gloves on. There's some snow in my gloves. That's pretty rough. But yeah, I don't feel pain when it's about my friends. I come, my friends. Food is here. The food has come through the snow. Go away, please. I need to. Hey. Go away. Ow. He's beating me with his flaps. All right. So I put them a little bit more, because who knows if they get visit again. I really hope that my friend is here until the evening, because that would mean I need to get back through the snow and and close the doors. I really hope that isn't necessary. But yeah, close, friends. There's water. Oh God, there's snow everywhere, guys. I can't see. No eggs. Okay, that's good, because I couldn't carry them right now. Okay. I'm proud that I made it here. This was the worst possible outcome that you can imagine for the last day. But yeah, now I need to get back, and I'm not sure if I can. All right, let's try to get back. Oh man. Holy moly. I hate snow. This is the white plague. I'm glad that I fed them. Now they can do whatever chickens do in their house. Oh no, snow everywhere. Oh God. Oh! I fell again. Oh God. Oh man. Holy moly. I don't know if I can make this jump. I fell again. Alright, let's try. Oh, holy moly. Oleg. Something that we say here. Oleg. Ayo. Holy moly. So yeah, I made it. They are fed. Doors closed. They can stay inside. They have water. So this is the grand finale of the chicken series. I was pretty sure that you get something to see, but this is special. We haven't had such snow in 2 years or so, or 3. Check it out how tall it is. Like, this is my hand and the snow goes up there. I need to clear the road and everything. So yeah, this was tough. I'm frozen. Gotta get inside, drink something, eat something. I haven't had breakfast. Whew. This is tough work, guys. My chicken week was a lot of work. So hopefully this is the finale, unless my friend can't make it due to the snow. Then you'll see another update. Otherwise, thank you for watching this whole week. I appreciate it, and I will do more stuff like this in the future. Alright guys, bye. Now I'm glad that I didn't want to get rid of the Christmas tree yet. Who has the last laugh? It's me!